As you prepare to rest, let your heart be still. Let the worries of the day fade away. Take a deep breath, inhaling God's peace and exhaling every burden. Tonight you are wrapped in the presence of the Almighty. His word is a light to your path and a comfort to your soul. Let these scriptures and reflections guide you into a peaceful, restorative sleep. Peace I leave with you, my peace I give you. I do not give to you as the world gives. Do not let your hearts be troubled, and do not be afraid. John 14:27. God's peace is not like the peace of the world. His peace is eternal, deep, and unshaken. As you close your eyes, let go of anxiety. Place your cares before the Lord, for He is faithful to carry them. The Lord will keep you from all harm. He will watch over your life. The Lord will watch over your coming and going, both now and forevermore. Psalm 121, 7-8. You are never alone. God is your refuge, your protector. His eyes are upon you, even as you sleep. Let His presence calm every worry and fear. The Lord your God is with you, the mighty warrior who saves. He will take great delight in you. In His love He will no longer rebuke you, but will rejoice over you with singing. Zephaniah 3:17. Imagine the Creator of the universe singing over you with love. His voice is gentle, His embrace is secure. No matter what you face today, His love remains constant. Sleep knowing you are deeply cherished by the Lord. In peace I will lie down and sleep. For you alone, Lord, make me dwell in safety. Psalm 4:8. There is no safer place than in God's presence. Surrender every concern into His hands and rest in the assurance that He is in control. He gives strength to the weary and increases the power of the weak. Even youths grow tired and weary, and young men stumble and fall. But those who hope in the Lord will renew their strength. They will soar on wings like